Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTA.
If you're a Disney fan, you're gonna love this vest. This is the Amazon Essentials Disney Collection vest. This is a fleece vest that it comes in a few different colors. My daughter is wearing the pink vest with the Disney characters on them. She really likes the fit of the vest. It's comfortable for her to wear, especially when it's cold outside and she doesn't want to wear a jacket. This is really nice for her to use. She also loved that she can fit all her toys in her pockets. In my opinion, the best part is that the vest is really soft and nice and cozy, especially for those cold mornings or for her to use it in school. It is true to size. I did size it up because I want her to use it a little longer, and I like the oversized look on her. I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as we do.
And that's her point of view.